On May 2nd, Carla Walker entered the doors of the Hood Canal School and made a decision that not only transformed her life, but the life of her two younger children. Carla Walker is faced with a dilemma that she is a single mother of four children. She had her first child at the age of 15, had her second at the age of 17. And due to the fact that Carla was poor, single, raising two children, she decided that she would drop out of high school and get a job. Carla has worked faithfully ever since she dropped out of high school to make sure that her children had everything that they needed and provided them with the best type of lifestyle that she most possibly could. Later in life, Carla met another gentleman and had two other children. And she knew that she wanted to do something different with these younger two than she did with the first two. Her oldest daughter dropped out of high school in the 11th grade, and she currently still does not have a high school diploma, nor does she have a job. Her second child is currently a senior in high school, but will not be graduating with a senior class of students. He has credit deficiency. He has a major attendance issue where he does not want to attend school, and when he does attend school, he's not actively involved in the lessons. And Carla has struggled over the last few years to come up with those strategies on how she can communicate to her children and tell them how important it is to get an education so that they can have a successful future. Carla has attended several programs and workshops and still haven't found that one thing that worked for her and her older two children. Carla heard that the Hood Canal School District was partnering with the Skokomish Indian tribe to offer a program entitled FAST, Families and Schools Together. The program is designed to be a family engagement program that has 8 sessions where she would learn strategic strategies on how to communicate with her children, how to spend quality time that would get the type of results that she wants, as well as how to work effectively in a school environment. Carla decided that her and her two younger children, along with her boyfriend, would attend the FAST program. On May the 2nd, she entered the doors hesitantly, shy, nervous, not knowing what to expect from this new program. As the facilitator began to introduce the program, Carla and her children sat down and they began to slowly take part in some of the activities, but very hesitant about it because they're not used to communicating with each other, talking with each other on a particular assignment, a particular activity. But Carla was determined, I'm going to give this a try. And as the weeks went on, Carla began to feel more comfortable and more at ease in the FAST family environment. During the FAST parent group time, Carla began to speak out and share with other people how she was feeling about things that was occurring in her home or things that had occurred with her older children, and the other parents in the group were able to share with her how they had some of the similar situations and some strategies on what they did to overcome those obstacles. Carla's younger boys began to interact with the other children, playing more effective games, and the teachers began to send notes home, encouraging Carla that whatever she was doing at home was working because the boys were now more actively engaged in their class assignments. They were getting their homework done, as well as they were attending school every single day. And the program will be approaching its final session next week. And Carla and her entire family will be FAST graduates, where she will be able to go out and tell other people in the community how to become a FAST effective family. What if Carla had decided that the FAST program was something she did not want to participate in? What if Carla decided that the way she had been raising her children would be okay? Maybe her younger two boys will be going down the same road as her older daughter and her older son, who's not going to graduate from high school on time. But because Carla made the decision to come to the FAST program, it has transformed her life. Both the Carla boys will be receiving a Perfect Attendance Award at the Skokomish Indian Tribes Education Banquet. Also, Carla will be receiving an Outstanding Achievement Award as a FAST parent at the education banquet to encourage other families that yes, it might be uncomfortable to step out there on the ledge and introduce your vulnerabilities as a parent, but it will transform your life in the end. And the final results is Carla and her boyfriend are loving life now. They're able to communicate more. They're able to play games with their family. And they have said that the FAST program has made the difference in their lives. So what if she had not did it? But we're so glad that she did. And therefore, Carla's life is the better because of the FAST Families and Schools Together program.